Alright guys, for today's video, I'm going to show to you a project, a platform wherein you can get a rewards just by sharing your data into this platform. And of course, it's definitely free and you are getting rewarded by the platform in a form of their token, which you can be able to withdraw in the future. Again, guys, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single time. And this is currently available for Android. So for iOS users, please wait for a bit because they're still fixing all of the issues, because usually App Store is usually much more harder to get in than Android. But no worries, if you're an Apple user, it's going to be available to you very, very soon. And of course, let's just start on how you can be able to jump into this platform. And you do not need to spend any money, you just need to download it. I think it was around 30 MB, so it's not that much of a space. And let me show to you where you should go. So this is the platform. It's called U2DPN. So it was created by Unicorn Ultra Lab, and you can install it directly. So just search it on Google Play. And also, if you don't know where to find it, I'm also going to put the link into the description box below so that you will be able to install it easily. So it's available on Android. So just click install. Don't worry, it's very safe, because later on we're going to talk about that this company is based in Vietnam, and they have a lot of things that they're doing. So this is just one of those projects that they're working on. So again, just install it and then you will be transported into this. Right, so you will be transported into this when you open the app. So the front page will be DPN subnet. So that's where you need to check if you're always connected. So basically, when you downloaded the app, right, you can set how much price you can you want to get paid for every gig, right? And then they're also giving you a suggested estimate, which is one token for every gig, because that's like the recommended one. And the more bandwidth that you're sharing, the more rewards that you're going to get. Okay. And of course, if you're asking why do they do this, of course, decentralized internet is like the trend nowadays. A lot of people are trying to formulate this idea, and I do think that it's gonna benefit everybody. And so yeah, I mean, so the rewards and the bandwidth, it goes from two ways. So once you click connected, it's automatically running. So what you just need to do is just make sure that your phone is always just make sure that you're always connected. So you visit it from time to time, maybe if after an hour or two. So like for example, for me, I actually got a rewards now. So now it's at 0.26. Okay, so the more bandwidth that you're sharing, the better. And of course, if you have a Wi-Fi, then so much better, because you don't need to like worry about like, oh, maybe I'm gonna lose a lot of data, right? Usually I use this app if I am at home, or even if I'm have like a spare data. But usually that's just how it works, because I mean, if you have an internet at your home, it's unlimited. So there's nothing to be afraid of here. Okay, and now let's just jump into the account. Right, so here we are at the account. So as you can see, I got 2.6402 U2DPN. And for you to connect the wallet, I'm gonna show to you later, you need to install a Unicorn Ultra. So if you're familiar with MetaMask, you're familiar with Trust Wallet, it works the same here. Okay, and as you can see, I get a network share reward. There's not yet task reward, so I'm gonna show to you the task later. And I also got referral reward. So later on, you can use the code that I'm gonna put into the screen, so that you will be able to get your own referral code, so that you can share to other people, and then you and your friend will get a reward. So if you use my code as well too, you and me and you are going to get a referral reward in the form of token. And then once you already set up your invite code, you and your friend will now get a reward. Okay, so now let's move forward. So yeah, let's just go to the referral section. So if you use U2DPN PH, okay, you are going to get the rewards like me too. And after that, you set your own code, and then you can just put it on the comment section down below if people wants to use it. But basically, if you're supporting me as well, then I will really like appreciate if you're going to use your reward. Okay, so again, I'm gonna put this code into the description box below so that you'll be able to get more rewards as well. And now let's just move forward into the task. So okay, this is the task section. So currently there's not yet available. So what we just need to do is just wait, because this app is quite new. So I guess the full version is not yet out, but you just need to wait for the task, and then if you finish the task, you will also get a reward. Now I think let me show to you where you should be able to connect your wallet. Let's just go back here. Right. So let's just go back here, and you see unconnected wallet, right? So again, if you click the connect, this is what will happen. So here, right? So you just need to install U2U wallet, and then you need to find this one. Okay, U2U wallet. It has 560 reviews, so it's been a while already. And also I putted the link into the description box below so that you will be able to install it right away. Okay, so after you have installed it, what will happen is this. When you open the app, you will see this portion wherein if you have an account already, you can import here, but I recommend that you can create a new wallet so that it's much more fresh. And for you to be able to do that, just click new wallet, and you will be asked to put your password in here. So just enter the password of your choice, and then you will also be asked to back up your wallet here. So there will be 15 words. So make sure to save your words so into much more safer like notepad or maybe in your messenger, so that you will be able to recover your wallet even though you lost your phone or whatever it is. And then you will see this UI over here. So when you are at this portion, it means you already have an account. So where you can get your wallet address, what you just need to do is click the U2U Solaris mainnet. So it's below the token, and then click the copy at this portion. So you already see my wallet address, right? And when you click the copy, you paste it. Yeah, you paste it at this portion. So you will see that there is a notification that it says success. So you just need to confirm. So you copy the U2U wallet and then go back to U2DPN. And then once this appeared, it means it's successful. So yeah, you see here from unconnected wallet, now your wallet is appearing. So what you just need to do is just continue to farm and farm and farm, because basically if you're using Wi-Fi, like I mentioned, you're not spending that much of your data in here. Plus, it's if you're using unlimited Wi-Fi, right? Why even bother? And overall, this app is free. And who knows, man? Like this token can go up by value. Who knows? So for me, I rather farm this one than receiving nothing, right? So I do think that it's a wise decision as well. And if you're talking about the privacy and the security, I will definitely address it into the future videos to come. Okay, and this is like my first video for U2DPN, and probably after a week or two, I'll make a follow-up video on how much U2DPN have we farmed, what is like the new updates, okay? And we're going to talk more about this, okay? So I think that's it for today's video, guys. Again, this is not a financial advice. Always do something in crypto that you know you are afford to risk to, and always invest something that you can afford to lose. Okay, so that's it. Again, see you on the next video, and goodbye to everybody.